The UGREEN Revodok Pro 209 USB-C docking station is an impressive and versatile device that offers a wide range of features to enhance your productivity and connectivity. With its sleek and compact design, this docking station is an excellent addition to any setup, providing an efficient and organized workspace. One of the standout features is its ability to support dual 4K at 60 Hz monitors, thanks to its DisplayLink technology. This allows for an extended or mirrored display, catering to your preferences and workflow. The installation process is straightforward, and the included driver ensures a seamless setup for both macOS and Windows users. Data transfer speeds are incredibly fast, reaching up to 10 gigabits per second with its USB-A and USB-C ports. This ensures quick and efficient file transfers, making it ideal for those who work with large media files or require rapid data exchange. The 9-in-1 expansion capabilities further enhance its versatility, offering multiple HDMI and DP ports, a powerful PD charging port, and a gigabit Ethernet connection. Speaking of charging, the UGREEN Revodok Pro 209 boasts a 100W PD 3.0 charging port, which is a game-changer for MacBook Pro users. It allows for rapid charging, reducing the time needed to power up your device significantly. With this docking station, you can charge your MacBook Pro 15-foot in just 1.5 hours, eliminating the need for additional chargers and streamlining your charging routine. In terms of compatibility, this docking station is compatible with a wide range of devices, including MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Dell XPS, and Surface Pro, among others. Its universal connectivity makes it an excellent choice for those with multiple devices or those who frequently switch between different systems. Overall, the UGREEN Revodok Pro 209 is an exceptional docking station that offers a perfect blend of performance, convenience, and versatility. Its fast data transfer speeds, dual 4K monitor support, and powerful charging capabilities make it an ideal companion for professionals and content creators alike. With its sustainable design and efficient features, this docking station is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their productivity and streamline their workflow.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.